more than 6 hours.
Yeah. Pauwi na kami guys, and Tommy forgot that mom has a dialysis today. You know, our house is not gonna be this house, Han. I don't like I don't like the way you do it. Han! Han, what are you doing?
We can't.
We are almost home guys. Tingnan nyo si Roxy guys. Asan ka na mama? Gusto kita dito.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. Wala talaga ako, as in, yeah, wala tayong ka-makeup. Wala ako. Hindi ako nag-eyebrow. Kasi, I don't know, I don't feel. Uwi tayo ngayon. So, nakabihis na ako. And uwi ako. Pero, hintayin natin si Tommy kasi naliligo pa siya. And I think we're going to stop to nursing home. I think we're going to. Yeah, Tommy have to, but I will ask him if I can go because he told me you shouldn't be going if you feel sick. You know, I know that, but I think right now my throat is not really as bad like yesterday, and my nose is runny today. So that's the thing. My sister-in-law went home yesterday. I thought she'll stay here for the weekend para sa ina niya, pero umuwi siya, may gawin daw siya. So I don't know kung sino yung magbabantay. I think yung bunso nila yung magbabantay.
I'm okay. Not much time to talk because I'm headed to the hospital. So this is a sales call. I really can't take it. I gotta head to the hospital. Alright, thank you. The wheelchair place pissed me off.
Why?
So I call yesterday again. Oh, you know, they don't have an answer. I'll call back after 2. Well, I'll look into it and see what's going on. Call a bunch of times. Call back right around 4:30. Somebody answers the phone and I tell them, oh, well, you know, try next week because we just ordered a bunch of wheelchairs. I don't know you ordered a bunch of wheelchairs. It's a paperwork process, and that wheelchair, don't tell me you ordered a bunch of wheelchairs. I'm like, call next week. You can say, oh, well, there's a delay on the so, yeah, I'll call you back. And that was it, and they'll call me back. I'm going to report them to Medicaid and Medicare. Let's see if they lose them. Because if they lose the business from them, they're out of business.
Which this? Where was?
It's a place in Mount Vernon, and you know, Medicare's website put their place.
Pauwi na kami guys. Dito kami sa stairs, pauwi na.
I don't know how I even forgot it. Let's try it. Yeah.
Huh?
Dials has never even clicked.
What's up? Sorry.
Thank you.
Okay. Yung parking. Ang mahal ng parking dito guys. Look at that. 1 hour, $3. 24 hours, 18. It's by hour, huh? It's not.
Yeah, I know.
$3 for 1 hour.
The idea is $5 more than 6 hours.
Yeah.
So the
Pauwi
idea,
na kami guys, and Tommy forgot that mom has a dialysis today.
I'm lucky I remember my name right now.
Huh?
I'm lucky I remember my name right now. Know that I know.
It's Ford. Is it Ford, Nathan?
I thought it was a Nissan.
I think it's Ford.
Don't take so long.
Yeah. Okay.
So I saw the picture.
I will show you the picture again. Let's go home! Nakakahiya, nag-vlog dito. Dito kami nag-parking guys. Ano? Free parking. Walang parking dun sa hospital. So dito kami nakapark sa daan. Buti na lang. It's good that we found this parking because no space. And we did just see mom for a quick time. Yeah, did you see the outside is kind of curvy?
Yeah, well, Nissan, that's the thing. It's like the recent Nissan Murano.
Yeah.
Like the SUV.
Yeah.
It's like a bubbly in the back.
Yeah.
It's quite practical.
Yeah.
They kill off the room for putting things.
Yeah. Alis ako guys, and then before tayo alis, i-wrap ko lang tong mga glasses sa babulits. See?
Outside, the box I had from the microphones, I had to wrap the bubbles. That would have been a perfect box with that little handle.
It's just this. This is only, that's it. Only 5 of them.
I know, that would be perfect.
What? We have to throw things, Tommy.
What?
You know, our house is not gonna be this house, Han. I don't like. I don't like the way you do it, Han. What is the thing? Whatever, me. cannot.
The box? Outside, where I'm here to put it.
I'm not talking about the box. Talking about this. Huh?
You should wear this thing so I can tell the difference.
Of course you can tell.
One thing to another thing.
What the is what
Oh
what
God.
kind of is
Oh, which tape are you using? Here. Regular tape.
I have it here.
That's not regular tape.
Yes, it is.
What you have here?
Yes. Yung wine section namin puno, guys. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko to ilagay. You have to bring something. Sandwich. And somebody use the coffee thing over there. What's them?
You hear how far away she was when she was?
I will leave you if you lost Roxy. Yes, son. You didn't watch her properly. Iwan kita talaga. Roxy!
Come on.
Tommy, you are something, hon.
What?
Roxy. No. Come in here.
She's being annoying like always, huh?
Roxy, Misty is. Misty.
Yeah, it's not my fault. You can be annoying, you get dragged in because your mom is like a freak.
Yeah, that's a good father. Telling your kid you shouldn't listening your mama.
Go right back out.
Tommy is making sandwich, eh? What kind of sandwich, eh?
Ham and turkey.
Huh?
Ham and turkey.
You got pickles already?
It's in there.
You have to put that in the cellophane, you know that? Huh?
Yep.
Okay, do you want Ziploc?
Nope.
Ziploc back, cellophane.
Nope.
Mamiss ko tong guy na to. I'll see him Monday again. Hopefully mom Han can get out Han. Soon Han.
You want?
Han, what are you doing?
We kiss.
Si Fluffit. Ayan.
Billy's turkey. Missed, really?
Han, you're gonna poison her. That's what you think.
It's fresh. I bought it yesterday.
I know. Here. Put that in the dish. Alam nyo guys, I keep drinking water. You know what I think? Water helps you. If you keep drinking water and you're not feeling good, it helps. Tommy said, drink a lot of tea. Drink a lot of tea with honey. I did. But I still have sore throat this morning. I drink a lot of water. I can see it helps. And that's it, Han. You know, we're going home. And I don't want them to throw up. Go inside. Good girl. It's good. It's good. Okay, go. Hi guys! Going home. Meron akong cough drop dito kasi Are you ready? Are you ready, babies? Do you ready to see Dimple art and up si bag? Mets, you too? Nakatingin si Roxy eh. Nakatingin. Ala, squirrel, ala. Ala. Nandun guys ah. Ala, a squirrel's eating, baby. The squirrel is eating. We are almost home, guys. Tingnan nyo si Roxy, guys. Hi, Rox. Hello, go, baby. I'm almost home. Stop. Yung cellphone ko dyan, guys, ah. Ang ganda ng bahay nito. Ang ganda din ng view dito, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Kita nyo yung view. Good girl, Rox. Good girl. Come, Mitzi. You cannot go down if you don't go down. You're gonna stay there if you don't come down. Come to mama, love, love. Come to mama, na. Come to mama, na. Come to mama. Let me see if the gate is closed. Go, you do your business. You go, Pipi. Okay, the gate is closed. Pipi. Kailangan ko na tong i-transfer, guys. Ang dami. Hala, yung batong hindi tumubo. What the heck? Ito ba yun? Hindi ito yun. Hala, yung batong hindi tumubo. Tignan nga natin dito. Tignan nyo, guys. Hi, guys. I'm going to lie down here for a while, guys. Kasi yung ulo ko is sobrang init. Parang ano na ata to. Nalagang hilanat. Hopefully, sana bukas hindi to ganito yung ano doon. Sobrang init, Akala ko hindi lumala. Kasi kanina, okay. Na ano to sa kanang walang tulog ba? Ano, yung tulog ko sobrang late kasi, di ba, andun ako sa isang bahay, naghihintay ako. Dami. Naghihintay ako sa sawa ko. So, halit na. Paminsan, 1 o'clock, 12 to 1 o'clock na ako matulog. And then, maaga yung gising. Kasi punta kami daya sa nursing home. Si Tami din nagkasakit. Yun, trabaho ng trabaho. Yung feeling na gusto mo nang matulog. Pero katabi mo yung cellphone at hinawakan mo palagi. Ay. Punta lang ako sa baba, guys. Hindi ko dalhin yung cellphone kasi nafe-feel ko na talagang init ako. Nafe-feel ko na talaga, Lord. 3:36 na and punta ako sa baba. Magluto lang ako ng kakainin ko kasi ako lang naman isa dito. Painit na yung katawan ko, guys. As in, sobrang init na. And hindi na ako magsi-cellphone kasi parang na-addict na ako sa cellphone. And I will see you na lang mamaya. Oh my God, hindi ako makatulog. Oh my God, ang hirap yung ikaw lang mag-isa ba na naghanap ka na ng mama mo. Asan ka na, mama? Gusto kita dito. Yung ganun ba? Mama, dalhan mo na ako ng royal, yung orange. Pataasan nga natin itong temperature dito sa bahay kasi maginaw, parang sige, guys, magluluto lang tayo and then maaga mag-dinner and then maaga pumunta sa bed. Hindi ako ngayon lalaro. Hindi ako magla-live. Yung pati hininga ko sobrang init, parang volcano. Parang volcano talaga. Kapag hindi pa ako magaling sa Monday, hindi ako pupunta doon. Sana maging magaling kasi walang magbabantay. KByanan. Dito siya. Kinat ko na pala to. So, I'm going to lagay, look, I cut it already. Mas lalong sasarap siya kapag ilitsyon paksiw. Yun. Ito na siya, guys. Lagyan natin ng guys. Nilagyan ko na siya ng toyo. Nilagyan ko na siya ng toyo. Konting oil para and soka. natin. Lagyan natin ng tubig mamaya. Pero, ito siya. Sarap ito. Lime. Isa lang yung ilagay ko. Isa lang yung natira ko dito. Bili na lang tayo ng marami nito. Lagyan ko rin siya ng yun. Lutuin natin yan. And I think Hubsy Bag want to eat. I'm gonna feed my little man. Ito na guys. Ito yung dinner rice. Chayote at saka yung lechon paksiw na rotisserie naman na. Kain tayo. Ay, mag-dinner tayo guys. Kasi, ano na. Nanonood ako ng Apex sa YouTube. Yung mga magagaling sa Apex. You know, para matuto din tayo.
Stressful just traveling. Oh, there's so many hours just like on a plane, just like waiting.
Okay guys, let's open this Linis box. Linis. Yung sa sister-in-law ko. Linex talaga siya. Hala, ang gaganda nito. Hala guys. Ang ganda niya. Kailangan siya ng hugas. Hugasan mo lang siya and then i-display. Maganda talaga siya guys. Oh, yung pattern niya. Oh. Ang bigat din. This is sad that she's like getting rid of her stuff, you know? That's sad. She's getting rid of this, but this will go to her back. Kapag ano, yung asawa ko, yung anak niya. Oh, kasya dito, guys. Look. Kasya siya dito. Kunin ko tong mga ito, mga malalaki. Let me see, try the bigger one. No, it won't fit. It only fit here. It won't fit here. How about over here? No, almost. It won't. Muha lang din ako ng tubig para meron tayong tubig kasi grabe. So bukas guys, kahit sana okay ako kasi plano ko kasi maglilinis ako ng mga sa bedroom and then sa bathroom. So yun yung plano ko, maglilinis ako bukas sa bedroom downstairs kasi kami na yung master bedroom namin. So kami na yung gagamit, hindi na yung biyanan ko. Kasi ando na siya sa sister-in-law ko. Hindi pa siya nakalabas, pero doon siya. Kapag nakalabas siya, direct siya doon sa sister-in-law bahay nila. So, doon. Yun lang yung plano ko, guys. Bukas. Sana okay ako, no? Kasi plano tayo and then worst tayo bukas. Sana hindi ko magala. Okay, guys. Balik na tayo sa filming room natin. Anyway, i-end ko na tong vlog kasi hindi talaga ako feeling good today. Good night guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. If bago ka lang dito sa channel ko guys, please subscribe. Kung gusto nyo masubaybayan yung life ko with my husband and with my 4 kids, 2 dogs, 2 cats. So yun, please subscribe and click that bell button para ma-notify kayo guys. And yes guys, please like this video if you do like it. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.